at the third national conference, I mentioned in my message that there will be more of you or more of us in the next national conference. And true enough, we are now a bigger family from 5 community radio stations. Nagtampo ang kaimaw kasi hindi na-mention kanina. Na-miss lang po yun. From 5, naging 10, and now 25 na tayo. 25 community radio stations. Hopefully, there will be more of us again during the 5th National Conference with the addition of 10 new radio stations between now and early next year. So we hope na we can serve more island provinces, halimbawa, more disadvantaged and a little bit inaccessible radio stations, communities to have a source of information on nutrition, health, and other aspects of development. So, I think that we should all be proud of this program. Hindi lang, sir, hindi lang sa akin yon. Hindi naman magiging successful ang isang program kung hindi sama-sama tayo lahat na nagpa-participate at saka nagbuhos din ng effort at saka tiyaga, pawis, etc. So again, during the third national conference, we heard the first 15 radio stations share about their stations' successes and good practices in broadcasting and programming, as well as the various activities that they conducted in their respective communities. And over the past few years, we witnessed how they hurdled the problems of starting up and then the challenges of operating a radio station. And I, for one, had been inspired by the successes of the community radio stations. And I hope that you all have been sincerely and similarly inspired as well. Sabi nga kanina ni Ces in her prayer, opening prayer, sabi niya, hindi po madali, di ba, magpalakad ng isang radio station. From being neophytes, wow, you have blossomed into seasoned broadcasters. Nagbo-broadcast, nagmamanicure, pedicure. Alam niyo ba yun? Ha? Hindi niyo alam yun, multitasking. Nagsasalita sa microphone, meron nang umaano sa paa at kamay. Oh, di ba? Ang galing. Pag hindi kayo multitasker at saka seasoned broadcaster, hindi niyo magagawa yun. Gusto niyo magpaturo? Mamaya, sabihin ko kung sino. So you have really blossomed into seasoned broadcasters. Yung iba sa inyo, dati na seasoned broadcaster. Pero nag-blossom pa. At mas maganda yung talagang hindi pa at nag-blossom na broadcaster. So the same is true with the next 10 or the new 10 community stations which have gotten over their birth pains and are now on their way to becoming expert broadcasters themselves. After 8 months, I'm sure the novelty of operating a radio station has slowly waned. Kalma-kalma na, hindi na masyadong excited. But I hope that the enthusiasm as well as the commitment is still at its peak. Sana marubdob pa rin yung mga damdamin nyo na yung pagnanais na makatulong sa mga tao sa inyong mga komunidad. Hindi ba nakakatuwang malaman na may mga taong natutuwa habang pinapatugtog niya yung mga favorite songs niya? Yung isang taong natutuwa dahil na huli or na bawi yung kanyang nawawalang kalabaw. Meron nun eh. So, nagpapasalamat sila sa inyong tulong, sa yung mga nagawa sa kanila. So, isn't it fulfilling that you are helping many people in your community? People who otherwise would not have access to that type of information, correct, current, at saka relevant information. So for this conference, we have prepared a full program. We have invited radio personalities. Immediately after this opening ceremony or opening activity, we will have resource persons who will further inspire you to become better community radio broadcasters. We also have topics that will help you improve your programming. We included topics on how we can measure the effectiveness of your radio station and the possible recognition and award that your radio station can aspire to win. Yan, meron tayong topic na ganyan. Kasi siyempre, meron ng mga awardee, no? Ako yun. However, unlike our previous conferences, we will not ask you to present your accomplishments, but we tweak a little bit our program. We will be having a group discussion so that you can discuss and present your individual accomplishments and challenges. And then, a representative will share yung results ng inyong group discussion. Kasi wala tayo ng material time. So, mas maganda yung magbabanding din tayo, no? I am sure you will agree with me that there is fulfillment when you are able to influence your listeners and help them improve their lives through your community radio. We are aware that running a radio station is not a walk in the park, more so because running your community radio station is an added work and responsibility. Most of you have this, di ba? Dagdag lang, hindi naman yun ang inyong unang trabaho. Still, you will agree with me when I say that it is indeed very exciting and challenging. And as what Papa Bas or Basil Villacortes Sali of Radyo Kasanangan of Tawi-Tawi said in his Facebook post during the elections, and if I may quote Basil, sabi niya, nakakapraning pala mag-anchor ng radyo ng live coverage ng election situations. 6 different phones ang nakaantabay para sa mga tawag ng reporters. Umatras ang mga buhok sa noo ko, sabi niya. Nakakatuwa, pero para ako nandun at that point na binabasa ko yung kanyang post. Para na rin ako nandun. At ganun din yung feeling ko pag nababasa ko yung mga post ng mga masisipag, Facebook share ng mga activities ninyo. Kaya nga at this point, gusto ko rin i-acknowledge ang support at tulong ninyo sa Nutrition Month celebration itong nakaraang July lang. Nakapag-motorcade, nag-community work, kung ano-ano, nakakatuwa na makita yun. So talagang lumalabas kayo dun sa confines ng radio station at nakaka-engage kayo sa mga activities sa community. I'm sure more challenges will come your way, our way too, but rest assured that whatever challenges or difficulties may come your way, NNC will always be there to help. We are in this together. Your success is our success. Your failure is our failure. Together, let us learn from this 2-day conference and make the Nutriskwela Community Radio Network program a resounding success. Ano sir, di ba? So, thank you very much and have a good day. Dito po ako, dito lang ako.